So in this video, we consider the security objective, that identification, authentication, and access control. What is identification? Something which uniquely identifies the user, called user ID. Sometimes user can select their ID as long as it is given to another user. User ID can be one or combination of following, like user name, user student number, user SSN number. Authentications, the process of verifying the identifier of the users, typically based on something known as password. Sometimes users have key smart cards, disk or other devices. Some things users have the fingerprint, voice or retina scan. These are the authentications we have to require. Now, authentication sub concerns: general access authentication to control whether not a particular user has any type of access right in the element. Usually, we consider these the user account, and the functional authentications concern the individual user's right. What are the example? Can user do the authentication? Can they figure the devices, only see the data? These are the chart which can we see that username or the password with the chart challenge and handshake authentication protocol. Plain text memorizing use of these passwords. Protocol use the telnet or HTTP. Then radius chap or the state password authentications or according method. Backend for the telnet SSH, front end for the Microsoft IS server. Then we have the TACS. The features is authentications and authorizations according to the full step support. Then Cisco protocol can provide this authentication. Then Kerberos services authentication and authentication full encryption. Then protocol uses permission application like the Telnet, Microsoft Domain Authentication Services integrated with the Active Directory. Authentication process have the two-party authentications and third-party authentications. Two-party authentications is the one-way authentications and two-way authentication. Third-party authentications use the Kerberos or X509 single sign-on process. User can access the network resources by logging on to the security systems. Other part we can see into the next slide.